Hello everyone, have a good day. Today we are gonna talk about giving instruction and also first conditional clause. At the end we will talk about writing a letter. Okay? These are the three topics that we are gonna cover today and study them. The first one is giving instruction. You know, we give an instruction by imperative sentence. First, you have to know how to make an imperative sentence. Okay? Imperative sentence has two structures. You can make an imperative sentence only by one verb without anything else. Okay, like go. Okay? Go, for example, clean, sleep, yeah? Sing. They all are what? Imperative sentence. But one more, your verb can be followed by object or complement. For example, a person says to you, hey, study or listen. Study or listen, study is what? Verb, and listen is adjective. Got it? Or another person says to you, go home. And this example, go is verb and home is what? Adverb or complement. Got it? So, we can make an imperative sentence by two ways. First, by only one verb, or verb plus object or complement. Got it? So, it is a positive imperative sentence. But if you want to change it to negative sentence, negative imperative sentence, you have to use what? Only don't. An imperative sentence, you don't use doesn't or anything else because its subject is you. Yeah? So you have to use the helping verb of don't. If you want to change an imperative sentence to negative, also you have two ways. First, don't plus verb plus object plus complement. Hey, don't go home. Okay? Don't make noise. Don't make noise. And also, if you make an imperative sentence only by one verb, you can say or follow this structure. Don't go. Don't shout. Okay? Don't scream. Don't cry. Don't worry. They all are what? Imperative sentence in a negative way. Yeah. So look, I have written two examples. It is for first structure and this one is for second structure. Memorize the useful words. Memorize the useful words. Look, the first word is what? Verb. In other sentences, you have to start your sentence, especially positive sentence, with subject. But here you start your sentence with verb because your subject is clear. It is you. Okay? We don't mention you here because it is known and clear. Memorize the words, the useful words. Here, memorize is verb. The useful words is object. So if you change it to negative, you can say it like this. Don't memorize words individually. Don't, okay? In negative sentence, verb follows don't, helping verb, okay? Don't memorize words individually. Go, don't go. Got it? It is the first one. After this, we'll talk about first conditional clause. Okay? You have studied zero conditional clause. It talks about what is always true. Okay? But here we talk about first conditional clause. One point before telling you the definition. First conditional clause describes possibility or probability. Okay? It doesn't talk for sure. Got it? If you want to talk for sure, you have to use what? Zero conditional clause. Okay? A plus simple present plus simple present. But here we have another structure. First, let me tell you the definition of first conditional clause. It is used to express a situation in which an action would take place. Take place means happen. Would take place provided. Provided means if, okay, on the condition that provided a certain condition is fulfilled or met. Got it? It means I can say you can succeed if you study hard. Okay? If you try hard, you will achieve a good job in the future. If you try hard. This one is if clause. Okay? This part like this. If plus simple present tense. First you have to use if. But you can change the place of this two, okay? If class and conditional class. If plus simple present tense plus simple future tense. What is the difference between first conditional class and zero conditional class? So yeah, first conditional class has different structure only, okay? First, it starts with a plus simple present tense, the same as zero conditional class. But the second part is not the same as zero conditional class. In this case, you have to use what? Simple future tense. Got it? So, here is an example. If you call me, I'll attend. For example, if you call me, I'll attend your party. Okay? Let me make it complete. I'll attend your party. Now, in this example, if you, this one is called what? Conditional class or condition. Okay, this one is what? Condition, shart. But I will attend you, this one is the effect. Okay? So, the next example, if she comes late, she will lose the chance. Look, the first part, if she comes late, this one is conditional class, so this one should be simple present tense. The second part, or the effect part, should be with simple future tense. You have to use will. But sometimes you can use would, okay, instead of will as well. This is the second point. The third point that we will talk about is writing a letter, okay? Now, look, every letter has some parts, okay? If you want to write a letter, you have to know this part. The first one, the first step is heading, okay? This heading includes name of the receiver, dates, okay? These things. Address, you have to write the name of the receiver and also dates of your letter and also your address. The second part is greeting, okay? By this greeting, you open to talk. In another way, you break the ice, okay? Greeting, for example, dear sir or dear madam, yeah? Or if you know his or her name, you can write the name or the position, okay? After greeting, you have to write your body. What is body? Body includes content or main message, okay? All what you want to transfer to others, you have to write in body part. After that, you have closing. In this part, you close, okay, your letter. It is the end of your letter. So it includes something like wishes, okay, regards, like this. You can use these things: best regards, okay, best wishes, sincerely yours, and yours faithfully. Okay. So now come to book. This part is covered in page 8, okay? Here are some examples. And one more thing, if you wanna make an imperative sentence in a negative way, by never is used with what? With positive sentence, okay? With positive sentence and gives what? Negative meaning. And gives what? Negative meaning. If you use never in your sentence should be positive, but its meaning is what? Negative. For example, never go out today. Never go out today. Go out, this one is positive. If you add never at the beginning of this sentence, it changes to negative. Never go out. Okay? Never touch your face. It's like this. Okay? The second part, first conditional class, is covered in page 9. I told you all the structures, definition, and example. Okay? Just by one review and a glimpse, you can understand it well. And after that, I have talked about writing a letter. Writing a letter is covered in page 10. Okay, look. I told you the first one is heading. This part is called what? Heading. Yeah, the commander, central for the station, fire station. Look, this one is the heading, and the dates, and also the receivers, the senders. And after that, you have what? Greeting. Look, dear sir. Dear sir, this one is called what? Greeting. It opens your letter. And after that, this paragraph in 2 paragraph is called what? Body of your letter. Okay? So you have to write all your messages, your main messages in this body part. And after body part, you have to close your letter. Okay? So how can we close the letter? You have to write something like this. Okay? Thank you, best regards, sincerely yours, and this. Okay? So here is a revision. Okay? You can do it. This one is about giving instruction. I have told you here. And this one is asking question. How can you ask a question? It is very easy. For example, we have 2 kinds of question, yes, no question, and WH question. Yes, no question is answered by what? By yes or no. But WH question needs more detail. So after asking question, so it is the end, but you have to write. It is your homework. Don't forget it. You have to write a letter. Thank you. Have a good time.